Just showing you some scenery as I'm plodding about on scooter.
In 300 meters, turn right.
I'm a bit lost that minute. Middle of nowhere. All roads look a bit like this. In fact, this is one of the good ones. Up, 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 up. That's fucked if it rains down here. Getting about. Yep, as I can safely say, I'm a bit lost. Oh, these sand roads are bloody horrible.
Take the next right.
I will when I get there, Google. But yep, sand roads, no fucking control. Feral dogs. Hard roads. I don't know where my Google's taking me because I've just been here. Let's have a stop. Yep, these are roads.